Hey guys, this is True with Slice Concessions, and today this video will be showing you how to actually prime your pump system C712 with mix. All right, so this machine is not on, but we're going to show you with some imaginary mix on how to do all this. And yeah, let's get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're actually going to take out your feed tube, okay? Because if you have it all shoved in there, your mix isn't going to get past the feed tube seal to get into the cylinder. All right, so what you actually do is you treat it like a gravity machine in the beginning. You do all the priming and everything like you would, and then the only magical part is you hook up the pump after it's all primed, and then you start your machine. All right, so in my bucket right here, I got this amazing pretend clear mix. All right, the reason I'm using this is to show you that, you know, when you're like the simulation of how we're gonna find that, you know, hopper hole and put your feed tube in there, okay? So pretend this is mix. I'm gonna pour it right in. Whoa! All right, so look at all this nice pretend mix. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually bring your bucket of mix down here and you're gonna prime it by pulling up this prime hole. So that just like the gravity machine, pull it up, that should stop bubbling up there, and you're gonna hear the wow. Just like that, all right? Once you see that stream, go ahead and turn this off. Boom, you are now primed, okay? Now before you turn, you know, your auto on to make ice cream, here's what you're gonna do next. You're gonna take your feed tube, and you know, if this was real mix, you couldn't really see what you're trying to do in here. You could come up a little more to see the hole. But with this clear pretend mix, here's what you do. You get your feed tube, you get the feed tube into the hopper hole, and then you put it into this hole, then you take your pin and lock it. Voila. So this is what it's going to look like after you prime everything. You put your feed tube in and install it into the pump. And from here is when you go to the front of the machine, you go ahead and pretend to flip the machine on. And then from here, you hit go on your snowflake, and you'll hear the pump kick on for, you know, 5 to 10 seconds or whatever you set your setting at. And that's going to turn off, and this will continue running, and it's going to cycle till the mix is ready. And you should be making ice cream by then. So thanks, and come look at our website for more videos and information on your Taylor or Stoltings or whatever ice cream machines you got. All right, see you later.